What nightmare am I going through right now? Grand Design has failed me miserably at this point. On this episode of Roaming with the Yazzies, find out why I still don't have my RV, find out why and how Grand Design failed us. Stay tuned, we'll be back. All right, YouTube, welcome back. So here we are a couple days later after dropping off our RV to get the sealant repaired on the roof. Where are we at? Where is everything at? So here we go. We dropped it off at the repair place earlier last week. We got the repair estimate back really quick. It was about $3,200 to remove the sealants on the top, clean it, reseal it. Boom, there we go. So I turned that paperwork into Grand Design. It took a couple days to hear back. Finally heard back from them. They told me, hey, it costs too much. We need something better. So I reached out to the RV repair place. They said, yeah, we figured, we charge, the standard hourly rate. Most manufacturers are okay with paying that. Cool. So what do we got to do? So Grand Design wants them to bring their costs down. They talk to the RV repair place. They want the RV repair place to just coat over the sealant that's already up there. The RV repair place said, absolutely not. We're not going to do that. One, because it's not going to work. Two, it's going to fail. And they don't want their craftsmanship to be compromised and it come back on them. So they say, we're not going to do that. We're going to go ahead and strip everything off. We're going to go ahead and reseal it. And that's just the way it is. Or, obviously I can go somewhere else. Well, Grand Design was not okay with that. And they needed a more detailed breakdown of exactly what's going to happen. As you remember, our trailer is 40 feet long. So that's a really long roof that it has to go over. Now they have to by hand scrape off all the sealant on top of the roof, which includes all the seams, all the vents, all the little things that come out for the solar system, everything like that. So it's a lot of work to be done. So they're gonna go ahead and do all that. Then they gotta clean it. Then they gotta let it dry, make sure there's no moisture trapped in there, and then they're gonna reseal it. So material-wise is just a couple $100. The labor-wise is what's really in depth is because, again, they need to take a lot of time to do that. So Grand Design is reaching out to them asking, hey, can we get a more detailed breakdown of exactly the labor behind it? The retail or the RV place is just like, well, this is what it is and this is how it's going to be. So Grand Design is still not happy with that answer. And they're telling me to take it somewhere else. I told them I'm not going to take it anywhere else. I've been with these guys before. I know the quality work that they do. I trust them. This is where I want to be. So that's kind of what's happening there. I'm gonna get deep with you guys right now too, is that I have a lot of life happenings going on right now that just kind of pushing down weight onto me. I got some family stuff going on, I got some work stuff going on, and then I got what I thought was gonna be an easy solution with the trailer. I've been in contact with Grand Design for a while and it just seemed like it was gonna be an in and out type of thing. It would be easy. I was wrong. Grand Design's kind of like pushing it along, like, hey, this isn't going to work. I spent $100,000 on this trailer. That's a lot of money. And then for them not to do the correct work to begin with, off the line, here I am buying a brand new trailer and the seals are bad. I had a lot of things piling up on me that day. I didn't find the right way to express myself. Before, actually, I take that back. I was expressing myself. I was letting my feelings out with my family when Grand Design decided to call me. What a great time, right? I lost it on the phone with them. I didn't get mad. I got extremely emotional, and some tears were shed due to the totality of everything that was going on. And I feel that the Grand Design representative probably thought it was pretty awkward that here I am, she's talking to a grown man and I'm crying on the phone. But everything going on, it just boiled over at that point because Again, I have a brand new trailer. It should be without flaws, but as everybody knows, with trailers, it just happens to be that way sometimes, that they require a lot of maintenance, a lot of corrections after you get them off the line. So I was like, fine, you know what? This is where it's going to be. This is what I'm going to pay. I don't care. I want it to be done. And the Grand Design representative was kind of like thrown off and didn't really know how to react or say anything. I don't blame him, because here I am just letting loose on them. I try to give them the opportunity, because they don't want to pay that fee unless they have a bigger breakdown, which they won't give them a breakdown. Their system doesn't allow it, so they had to, fudge some things from the RV place to do that, get that done. I asked Grand Design, okay, if I bring my trailer to you guys in Indiana, wherever your warehouse is, wherever your plant's at, what are you guys going to charge me to fix the sealant? What's it going to be? What's it going to cost? Give me that cost. Give me that money. I'll pay whatever is the rest for the RV repair place, because I want it done right. I don't want it done half-ass. Grand Design tells me they can't do that. What do you mean you can't do that? You own the manufacturing place. How much is it going to cost me to do that there? Give me whatever that is. I'll pay the difference. I don't care. I'm over it at this point. I just want it to be done. I, at that time, was thinking I needed to leave town with my family here to get to family down in Arizona to help the situation that's going on. It would have been easier for me to drive down there than fly. Last minute tickets were outrageous. So being able to drive, have our own unit down there, our own place to stay, something that's comfortable, because it's what we needed to get down there for is kind of open-ended. We don't know exactly how soon everything would be handled. So I just told him, figure it out, let me know. So right now we are in limbo with Grand Design. Grand Design, you failed me. You failed me miserably. At this point, I cannot recommend a Grand Design unit, because if it's something minor like this, as far as getting the roof fixed, that should have been done correctly the first time for $3,000. What happens if it's a bigger ticket item? Are you gonna fight me on it? Are you gonna fight the next person on it? I don't know. I didn't buy the extended warranty through the dealership. Would that have helped? I don't know, probably not. So either way, I told the RV place, get it done. I'll pay for it. I'll worry about Grand Design later. Grand Design, the ball is in your court. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna step up to the plate and pay me correctly, as I'm paying the RV place to do the job correctly? Labor costs in Washington State might be a little bit higher than labor costs in Indiana. So that is where we're at right now. Sorry for keeping it kind of real. Sorry for kind of being a little bit emotional there. But we'll keep it real. When I get an update from Grand Design, I'll let you know. Right now, the RV is getting fixed correctly through the through Genesis, which is having my back 110%. They're trying to help out as best as they can with Grand Design, but Grand Design's being difficult about it. So let's just hope that Grand Design comes to some realization that they needed to care of what they needed to fix to begin with. I appreciate you guys following through, watching this. I know it's a little bit different video than us fixing stuff on the RV, installing stuff, traveling around, but I wanted to give you the other side of the camera of us going through some trials with Grand Design. Being an owner in a house, a vehicle, a trailer, you're gonna run into obstacles. How do we overcome those? Sometimes we just gotta manage and make the best that we can out of the situation. So Grand Design, step up. You guys, thank you. Please leave your comments down below if you ever dealt with Grand Design. Is there any tips, tricks that I'm missing? If you're about to go through something with Grand Design, I wish you the best of luck. check out my other videos that I have listed that give some other fails that this trailer has gone through already, with it barely being out for two excursions. Smash the like button, comment down below. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Thank you.